Hello! Do you know you can have anything in life if you dress for it? Yes, right. Edith Head once says so, and we can experience it in our day to day activities. Now imagine if you had to dress up for everything that you want in your lifetime, and God now blesses you with a long lifespan, which we pray for, by the way. I presume you'll be spending so much more on thrift clothing and the likes. Okay, how about making your own dresses yourself at your own convenience and to suit your personality? I know you'd like that because I like it too. Now that's why I'm here. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nafisa, and I would like for you to join me on this channel where we'll be creating magic, helping you out with your pattern drafting, and eventually paving way for you to make your own dresses at your own convenience to suit your personality. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope that this becomes a great journey for all of us.